How to create everlasting love. It's difficult to keep your primary relationship strong, upbeat, encouraging, and cohesive. But it is possible. 1. Learn to forgive. When a loved one harms you, it's acceptable to feel resentment, rage, and blame. But without forgiveness, even minor offenses and betrayals have the power to end a relationship. 2. Be realistic. Every long-term partnership will see its fair share of setbacks. However, getting through a particular hard phase and learning to see your partner lovingly and objectively can help you get through. 3. Create rituals. The way you and your spouse greet each other, or the way you mark birthdays and anniversaries year after year, can help establish a solid bond that will keep you emotionally engaged even when things go difficult. 4. Be truthful. Any relationship's basis is weakened by secrets and lies. Ignoring issues doesn't make them go away. This is another kind of maintaining secrets. Respectful and honest dialogue about your feelings and dreams is crucial. 5. Fair combat. Even the most loyal of friends and compatible of couples have disagreements. Establish some respectful ground rules while the situation is calm to prevent your conflicts from destroying your relationship. 6. Actively hear. Jumping in and interrupting when your partner is trying to tell you something can make him or her frustrated or discouraged. When you're having a serious discussion, it's imperative to listen more than you say. 7. If you get stuck, get assistance. Consult a therapist or marriage counselor if you and your partner keep having the same disputes with no end in sight. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.